The human body is an incredible machine. It is made up of various systems that work together seamlessly. Think of it as a well-orchestrated symphony. Each part has its own role, but they all come together to create harmony. Understanding these systems can help us appreciate our bodies more and take better care of them. When you look in the mirror, you see the outer shell, but beneath the skin lies a network of bones, muscles, nerves and organs. These components communicate with each other every second of the day. This communication is vital for our survival. Imagine trying to run without your muscles or think without your brain. It's impossible. Each system is unique but dependent on the others. This interdependence is what makes us function as a whole. Let's dive into these fascinating systems one by one. Understanding these systems can lead to a healthier life. By knowing how our body works, we can make better choices. This knowledge can guide us in eating right, exercising, and even handling stress. Let's begin with the skeletal system, the foundation of our body. The skeletal system is the body's framework. It consists of 206 bones in adults. These bones provide structure and support. Imagine a building. Without its framework, it would collapse. Similarly, our bones keep us upright and protect our organs. They are living tissues that grow and repair themselves. Joints connect bones and allow movement. There are different types of joints, like hinge joints in your knees and elbows. Calcium is crucial for bone health. Exercise, especially weight-bearing exercises, strengthens bones. Bones also protect our vital organs. Next, let's explore how muscles work with bones to enable movement. The muscular system allows us to move. It is made up of muscles that are attached to bones. There are 3 types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Each type has a unique function and structure. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. This means we can control them. They are attached to bones and help in movement. When you run, jump, or lift something, you use skeletal muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of internal organs. These muscles are involuntary, meaning we cannot control them. They help in processes like digestion and blood flow. Cardiac muscles are found only in the heart. They are also involuntary. These muscles pump blood throughout the body. They work tirelessly, never stopping. Imagine the heart as a tireless engine, ensuring that blood reaches every part of the body. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing. When a muscle contracts, it pulls on the bone, causing movement. For instance, when you bend your arm, your biceps contract. Exercise helps in keeping muscles strong and flexible. Proper nutrition, especially protein, is also vital for muscle health. Now let's see how the nervous system controls these muscles. The nervous system is like the body's communication network. It sends signals between different parts of the body. This system is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain is the control center. It processes information and sends out instructions. The spinal cord carries messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves branch out to every part of the body. For example, when you touch something hot, nerves send a message to the brain. The brain then sends a message back to move your hand away. The nervous system controls both voluntary and involuntary actions. Maintaining a healthy nervous system is crucial. Now let's explore how the circulatory system works closely with the nervous system. Section 5. The circulatory system, heart and blood vessels. The circulatory system is the body's transportation network. It consists of the heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart is a powerful pump. It keeps blood flowing throughout the body. Blood vessels are like highways, carrying blood to every cell. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. It pumps oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the body and brings back oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. This cycle is continuous, ensuring that all cells get the oxygen they need. Blood vessels include arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins bring it back, capillaries connect the two. Blood carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste products. Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to the body and bring carbon dioxide back to the lungs. White blood cells fight infections. Platelets help in clotting. Plasma, the liquid part of blood, carries nutrients and hormones. A healthy lifestyle supports the circulatory system. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking. Monitoring blood pressure and cholesterol levels is also important. The circulatory system works closely with the respiratory system, which we will explore next. Section 6, the respiratory system, breath of life. The respiratory system allows us to breathe. It brings oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide. This system includes the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. Breathing starts when we inhale air through the nose or mouth. The air passes through the trachea and reaches the lungs. The lungs are large, spongy organs. They are divided into sections called lobes. Inside the lungs are tiny air sacs called alveoli. Oxygen from the air passes through the walls of the alveoli into the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide from the blood passes into the alveoli and is exhaled. The diaphragm is a large muscle below the lungs. It helps in breathing by contracting and relaxing. When the diaphragm contracts, it flattens, allowing the lungs to expand and fill with air. When it relaxes, the lungs deflate, pushing air out. Maintaining a healthy respiratory system is important. This includes avoiding pollutants and smoking, staying active and breathing clean air. Proper hydration and a healthy diet can also support lung health. Now, let's see how the digestive system fuels our body. Section 7. The digestive system fueling the body. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients. These nutrients are then absorbed into the bloodstream and used by the body. This system includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, and other organs. Digestion starts in the mouth with chewing and saliva. Once food is swallowed, it travels down the esophagus to the stomach. The stomach secretes acid and enzymes that break down food. The partially digested food then moves to the small intestine. Here, most nutrients are absorbed into the blood. The remaining waste moves to the large intestine and is eventually excreted. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder also play a role in digestion. The liver produces bile, which helps digest fats. The pancreas produces enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The gallbladder stores bile until it is needed. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for a healthy digestive system. This includes plenty of fiber, fruits, vegetables, and water. Avoiding excessive fats, sugars, and processed foods can also help. The digestive system works closely with the endocrine system, which we will explore next. Section 8. The endocrine system, chemical messengers. The endocrine system is a network of glands. These glands produce hormones, which are chemical messengers. Hormones regulate many body functions, including growth, metabolism, and mood. Major glands include the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, and pancreas. The pituitary gland is the master gland. It controls other glands and produces hormones that regulate growth and reproduction. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism. The adrenal glands produce hormones that help the body respond to stress. The pancreas produces insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels. Hormones travel through the bloodstream to target organs. They bind to specific receptors and trigger responses. For example, insulin helps cells absorb glucose from the blood. Thyroid hormones increase the metabolic rate, affecting how the body uses energy. A healthy diet and regular exercise support the endocrine system. Managing stress and getting adequate sleep are also important. Avoiding exposure to harmful chemicals can help maintain hormonal balance. The endocrine system works closely with the immune system, which we will explore next. Section 9. The immune system, defenders of health. The immune system protects the body from infections and diseases. It includes white blood cells, antibodies, and other components. White blood cells are the main defenders. They identify and destroy harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. The immune system has two main parts: innate and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is the body's first line of defense. It includes barriers like skin and mucous membranes and cells that attack invaders. Adaptive immunity is more specific. It involves the production of antibodies that target specific pathogens. Vaccines are a way to boost adaptive immunity. They expose the body to a weakened or inactive form of a pathogen, helping the immune system recognize and fight it in the future. A healthy lifestyle supports the immune system. This includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and proper hygiene. Avoiding stress and harmful substances can also strengthen immunity. The immune system works closely with all other systems to maintain health. Now, let's conclude with the interconnectedness of these systems and their importance. Section 10. Conclusion: the symphony of the human body. The human body is a marvel of engineering. Each system plays a vital role, and they all work together in harmony. The skeletal system provides structure, the muscular system enables movement. The nervous system controls functions, the circulatory system transports nutrients, the respiratory system supplies oxygen, the digestive system fuels the body, the endocrine system regulates processes, the immune system defends against threats. Understanding these systems helps us appreciate our bodies. It guides us in making healthier choices. Proper nutrition, exercise, and stress management are crucial. Awareness of how our body works can lead to better health and well-being. In conclusion, the human body is like a well-orchestrated symphony. Each part has its own role, but they all come together to create harmony. By understanding and caring for our bodies, we can live healthier, happier lives. The journey through the human body is truly fascinating and enlightening.